Hi everyone, Edison Vasquez at Combriel. Hope everyone is doing well. Thanks for watching us, thanks for following us. We appreciate all the support. Today we're discussing tips for tenants looking for warehouses with refrigeration or air-conditioned space. Finding an existing space that has refrigeration or temperature control is a big challenge for tenants in the market. Most cases, this infrastructure will need to be built out from scratch, or if there's existing refrigeration or air condition, will need to be modified for the specific requirements of the tenant. Our team has helped many business owners in the leasing and sales of warehouse space with refrigeration or temperature control. From these, here are some tips that we have learned and we suggest to tenants looking for these type of spaces. Number one, and it's very basic and it goes back to the basics of real estate. It's location, location, location. Tenants looking for spaces with refrigeration or air conditioning should start with the location first. Find the location that best suits the business, that's best located, that has the best location to your suppliers, to your customers, or that overall helps with your employees. Start with the location and then worry about the infrastructure or all the build out later. Number two, don't wait for the right space. It's like waiting on a traffic light and waiting until all the green lights are green to go. We see from our experience that it's better to continue exploring options even if it means starting from scratch. A lot of tenants tend to wait until the right space comes on the market with the right conditions that has all the infrastructure they need instead of looking at an option where they can start from a shell condition and build it out to their needs. So when looking at spaces with refrigeration or HVAC, consider all options, even starting one from scratch, as this might be the fastest way to get you the right space. So, number two, don't wait for the right space. Number three, ask the landlord to do the build out for you. Depending on the location and the market conditions, there are landlords who will do the build up for you and deliver a turnkey solution with refrigeration or air conditioning. So check with your broker to see which landlord is open to doing this. This will save you a lot of trouble and a lot of time because you as a business owner, you want to run your business and not a construction site. Landlords and developers, they're experts, are building out and doing these type of spaces. If the landlord is not open or not willing to do the build out and you want that space, that location, consider looking into a project manager that will take over the responsibilities of building out that space. Again, you as a business owner, you want to be running your business and not a construction project. Hiring a project manager will help ensure that the project is done on time and on budget. One last tip when doing the build out and negotiating a lease is to make sure that the landlord is okay with you leaving that infrastructure at the end of the lease. When you're doing the build out for cooler or freezer or air condition, a lot of landlords might request that you restore that space to original condition. This can be very expensive. So when negotiating these type of improvements, add a clause or negotiate a clause that you have the right and the option to leave this infrastructure behind for the landlord so that way you don't have to remove it at the end of the lease term. And number four, always go with a new construction. Whenever possible and whenever available, go with a new construction project. The main reason is that a new construction project allows you to do the build out at the same time the landlord is finishing the project. This will allow you to do the project and the build out without having to pay rent and without starting the lease. The lease will start once the landlord delivers the space to you turnkey with all the improvements. Opposite, if you lease an existing space, the landlord might not allow you to do the build out and might not give you enough free rent for you to go through all the build out, and you will have to pay rent or burn your free rent while you're doing the build out. A new construction takes the headache out and takes the pressure so that you can do all the build out and will not have to pay rent or start the lease until the space is ready. Hope this helps, and thanks for following us. Our team, our leaders in the leasing and sales of industrial space, including refrigerated and temperature controlled spaces. Thanks for following us. Please visit our website at Warehouses Market for more information and all of our listings. We appreciate it. Take care. Be safe. Thanks for watching, and thanks for following us. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the latest videos on industrial real estate. You can follow us on social media on LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. You can always visit our website, warehousesmarket.com, for all the information on industrial real estate and our latest listing. We look forward to hearing from you.